Hi, myself Harsha Johnson, you are 15CS064. I'm going to do my third network lab exercise, that is IP addressing and subnetting. So here we have the first question. In this, the number of needed subnets is 3 and the number of needed usable hosts is 45. Here I have a network address of 200.175.14.0 and the address class is of C, that is of /24 or 192 to 223, and between that this 175 lies, so we take it as a C address class. Then we have a default subnet mask 255.255.255.0/24. This we have 3 network portion and we have 2 host portion. Then we have a custom subnet mask that is of 255.255.255.192/26. Then the number of subnets we are using is 4. Now the bits borrowed is 2 and the number of host address we are having is 64. Now the usable address is at 64 minus 2, so we are having it as 62. Now we have 3 subnets, subnet 1, subnet 2 and subnet 3. Then subnetwork address, first valid host address, last valid host address, broadcast address, etc. So the first one is in subnet 1 I have 200.175.14.0 as subnetwork address. Then the next first valid is, that is 14.1, so it is first valid host address. Then the last one is 14.62. The main thing is the broadcast address and that is 14.63. Similarly we do for subnet 2 and subnet 3. Now the second question is the number of needed subnet is 10 and the network address is 172.59.0.0. 172 lies between 128 to 191, so we take it as an address class B. Now here we have a default subnet mask. Here also we have 3 network portion and 1 host portion, that is of 255.255.0.0/26. Then a custom subnet mask of 255.255.240.0/20. The number of subnets we are using is 16. Then usable addresses 64 minus 2, that is 62. Then the borrowed bits are 4. Here also we have subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. Then subnet address, then first valid host address, last valid host address, and a broadcast address. Here I have 172.159.0.0 as my subnetwork address, and the first valid is 0.1. Then we have 254 and the broadcast address as 255. Now the third one is number of needed usable host, that is of 50. Network addresses, address classes of B, so B lies between 128 to 191, so we take it as 172.59.0.0 and it lies between B. Now the default subnet mask is custom subnet mask already given. In default subnet mask we have 255.255.0.0/60. In custom subnet mask we have 255.255.255.192/26. Then the host address is 2 raised to 6. Then the usable address is 2 raised to 6 minus 2. The bits borrowed I have is 10. Here my subnet address in subnet 1 is 0.0. First valid host address 0.1. Last valid is 0.62 and the broadcast is 0.63. Similarly we can do for subnet 1 till the last subnet. Now here topology is given. So here we have a 3 local area network and 1 wide network. That is 2 router is connected with 3 switches. The first one is marketing, then second research, and third management. Marketing is having 24 hosts, research is having 60 hosts, management is having 15 hosts. Now the marketing is having values 24, 25, 26 and 27. Here I am taking it as 27. Then so my marketing, the first subnetwork address is 196.34.20.32/27. Then my first valid host address is 196.34.20.33. Last valid host address is taken as 196.34.20.62 and broadcast address is taken as 63. Now for research I have 60 hosts. Here I am taking as 26 because only one bit set. So 196.34.20.64 slash 26. Now my first valid is here the subnet address is 64. So my first valid host address is 65. Then my last valid is as 196.34.20.126. Last is broadcast is 0.127. Then then for management I have 15 hosts, so it is 196.34.20.027. Then the link between these two routers, that is research and management, is 30. So 196.34.20.128 slash 30. Then I'm giving my first valid host address as 196.34.20.129. Then last valid as 0.130 and the broadcast as 0.131. Here we have here also we have 3 local area networks and 2 wide area networks, that is of Dallas 150 host, Washington DC 220 host, New York 325 host. In this also we'll do as we have done before. In Dallas we'll take as my subnetwork as 135.126.0.0 by 24. So my first valid host address will be 135.126.0.1 and last will be as 135.126.0.2.54. Similarly for Washington it is 135.126.1.0 slash 24. Then for New York it is 23, and the link one between routers is 135.126.2.430. So in this way the IP addressing and subnetting works. That's all. Thank you.